Hey guys, it's Mark from Team How To. Our team has scoured the web to bring you the latest and most relevant content. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.
Alright guys, this is Evan with Team How To. Today I just wanted to go over a quick little video on how to make thumbnails for free. No Photoshop skills required or anything like that. There's this website called Canva. You can come here, create a free account, sign up. Alright, once you get signed in, this will be the home page here. We can just type in YouTube thumbnail. And there's lots of templates that you guys can choose from. For this video, I'm just going to go blank. And I did see one earlier that I thought was kind of cool. It looked like it had some animation in it. That's why I'm going to choose it. I'm curious to see. And then it's your typical template. You can just change anything you'd like in it. I'm just going to change the words for the purpose of this video, but you can... Alright. The no skills required. And simple as that. I mean, there's tons of options to just play around with on this website. Maybe I'll make another video on just creating one from scratch using the tools to just upload elements and pictures. You can even put your own pictures on these thumbnails. Then once you have your thumbnail created, you can come up to the top here. Oh, it's cut off a little bit on my screen. But if you click download, you can download and save the file. And just to reiterate, this site is completely free. They do have a like a pro membership to where they just unlock more pictures and everything for you guys to use. But you can completely just use all the free stuff without needing to pay. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, they are offering free premium photos, so I'll put this link in the video description if anybody wants to try to use it. You'll get the free photos as well. Alright guys, then once you have it downloaded, you can just save it and upload it to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.